Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Today is the special video because I am doing a collab with my good friend Molly on art flashes, and I don't know her username very well on Instagram. She changed it, so Molly, if you're listening, thank you for collabing with me. We decided to do an art journal and our junk journal, and this is my junk journal I had made a while back. So this came in handy for the collab. On the top it says bloom where you are planted. I was kind of going for the garden theme for this junk journal I had made. Here's some pages. I did one of a kind. Some butterflies. And, you know, obviously the theme is garden and butterflies, and I could have chosen butterflies to draw in this art journal, but I decided not to. So for what I decided to draw in the whole theme, I love drawing food, and I love drawing, you know, desserts, and you saw a while back my hyper-realistic ice cream, and that was a lot of fun. That took several hours, and it was just a lot of fun. So this project, if you guys hear any dogs in the background, I'm so sorry. They're probably whining to come in my art room, my art studio, but I'm filming, so that's a disclaimer for you. So sorry about that. My door is closed. Hopefully they won't come in. But I want to throw the disclaimer out there, so let's get back to the video. So for the video and for the collab, I decided to draw a donut. I saw the quote that I printed out. I don't know what I'd do without you. Which is fitting because Molly has become a good friend of mine through Instagram. We usually try to talk every day, but we started out that way, but for now our lives are busy, and we always seem to connect at the end of the day or something. Talk about what we're having for dinner, or what we're talking about our projects and what we're working on, and it's just a lot of fun talking to Molly. So she does amazing art. Here's the quote right here. I'm going to cut out after watercoloring this page right here to match the donut. So I'm really excited about this little mini project I'm working on. It's taking a while because this donut is taking me 3 days. I've been working on the bun, and I've been working on the sprinkles and the frosting. We'll do that part together, but other than that, it's been taking a good while. So Molly, I'm sorry if this video, it probably won't be a finished art journal page, but I will try to finish it when I can, and then show you the final picture and everything. I just want it to be hyper-realistic looking, and really wanted to do a good job on it. So bear with me, Molly. I'm so sorry. I keep putting the collab off, but I really want to do a good job, good justice on the donuts for you. So I'm trying not to make excuses, but it is taking me a while. This is one of the projects that is taking me a while. I'm trying not to make excuses again. Molly's a great friend. But I love doing collabs with her. We have several on this channel. We do have others take part in our collabs too. So go check out my friend Belinda's channel, Belinda's art page or art channel. Belinda, let me know what your name is to your art channel, and also Michelle, MadebyDawn. So we usually try to collab every other month or every few months or something like that. So go check out my friend's channels. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this long-winded intro to the collab. I just want to shout out to Molly Art Flashes. She does amazing art, and she's an amazing friend, and I don't know what I'll do without you, Molly. So kind of cheesy, had to throw that in there, but I hope you guys enjoyed this little speed paint. I might not finish the donut on camera, but I will finish this entire collab, so I feel like the collab is complete. So further ado, I guess I will be working on this part of the donut and frosting in the video as well. So if you guys have any questions on materials I am using, these are my watercolors I will be using in the video. And no, I don't have the heart to wash off my palette from the beach, and these are the watercolors I brought to the beach, and these are watercolors I'll be using in the collab. So these are my favorite watercolors. I don't know what the brand name is, but I got a few Christmases ago, so I've been using it ever since. The pens I will be using in this collab are the Staedtler ballpoint pens, Pentel RCT pens, big crystal pens, big round stick pen, just a variety type pens, but these are the main pens I will be using for the frosting and bun and everything. So those are the materials I will be using. I really don't think I have much else to say, but this is my junk journal here, so going to clarify that a little bit. So guys, thank you for watching. If you can, please help me get to 800 subscribers by my birthday on Monday. Not necessarily by my birthday, because it's coming up very quickly, but at least around that point. But if you could get me 800 subscribers, that would be amazing. Maybe we could have a little party or something. So you guys are wonderful, and I hope you guys will enjoy this video. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. And I just want to put a disclaimer out here. If you hear my friend in the background, she's doing something, so just want to have a little disclaimer there. And you also hear my dogs in the background as well, so I'm so sorry about that. And the voiceover for this part, it was a little bit off camera, so sorry about that, but I moved it down a little bit so you can see it better. But I am doing the watercolor background to my quote. I'm really excited of how this video is shaping up a little bit for you guys. So if you are new here, I also want to throw in another disclaimer. For the paper I'm working with, it's not regular drawing paper. This is just scrapbook paper type. So this paper is not really made for watercolor, so that's why the watercolor is kind of chalky and scratchy looking and not really blended together very well. So this is not my best work for that, but I did end up blending it a little bit better towards the middle of the page, so bear with me. But I thought the background turned out pretty good for what it's worth. But I'm really excited how this art journal spread came about. But I want to quickly mention my friend Molly Art Splashes. She is an amazing friend. Definitely go check her work out if you can. She's on Instagram as well. Molly, if you want to, you can let me know your Instagram handle for that. So I know we talk with Gloria on Instagram, and she makes a really good friend. Definitely go check her out as well. So this is the first step to my art journal page. At first I thought I was going to do acrylic paint with it, but I decided against it because acrylic paint is really bold and I don't want to ruin the drawing. So I'm not very comfortable with acrylic paint as I am with watercolors. So this is again one of the first steps in art journaling for me. I usually do the background first and then the quote after. So I'm going to go ahead and cut to, no pun intended, to the quote and putting in the quote as well. Let's go to that. Okay, hey guys, and welcome to this part of the video where we're doing cutting out the quote. The quote I chose for the donut is oh my gosh, I don't know what I would do without you, with the don't know as donut. Kind of hard, confusing a little bit, but you'll see in a minute. I thought this was pretty cute, but I saw it on Pinterest, and I was like, I had to do a donut with it, and this kind of fits our friendship a little bit, Molly. So I hope you enjoy this little art journal, and I thought it was pretty cute. Hopefully it's not really creepy aspect to it, but you know what I'm trying to say? I'm trying to keep it family friendly here, so I just thought this was pretty cute. We have a donut on the side of the drawing, and I was basically cutting out a quote. I found this on Pinterest, and I was like, I had to do it, and the drawing on the right side of the spread, I am drawing a donut, obviously, and I put sprinkles, and I tried to make it hyper-realistic looking for the donut, which is mine if drawing is not finished. You'll see me drawing it towards the end of the video, so stick around for that. If you guys are new to the channel, or from Molly Channel Art Flashes, welcome. I welcome all of you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below if you like what you're seeing here. I just want to also mention our little collab together. We are doing art journal and our junk journals. So this is my junk journal here, as you saw in the beginning of the video, so I wanted to mention that. I decided to, instead of having my messy handwriting or anything like that, I do a hand lettering, but I do that on the side, not as often as I should, but I decided to type it up to make it a little bit nicer. I am using tape for that, so yeah. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and go to the speed drawing part of the video. As you see here, I am using ballpoint pens for the hyper-realistic donut. I just want to also mention, I've been working on this donut for 3 days now. Kind of getting a little bit impatient with it. I'm trying to stick to it, but it's really hard for my attention span. So Molly, I'm sorry, I just wanted to get this video up for you, and I know the donut's not finished. I will finish it and share with you on Instagram, so this is the video for that. If you have any questions about ballpoint pens I'm using, watercolors, materials, and all that, let me know in the comments down below. The ballpoint pens I'm using are Settler round stick ballpoint pen. I really don't have much else to say here, but Molly is such a great friend. You should go check her out on Instagram and YouTube as well as Art Flashes. I highly recommend her enough. She does amazing art. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching this video. If you came from Molly's channel, welcome and welcome you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. I'm gonna go ahead and put music on the rest of this as well. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below for the collab. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye guys. Oh, by the way, I want to mention also, if we can try to hit 800 subscribers, that would be amazing by my birthday. I'm not going to count on you guys to do that because you guys are amazing, but I just want to quickly say what I mean by saying I'm not going to count on you, because I know my birthday's on Monday, this Monday, and I know it's kind of around the corner here, so don't feel pressure to subscribe, but also subscribe if you want to. I know numbers are not important, but, you know, if you can, subscribe down below. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys. Okay, hey guys, and if you made it this far into the video, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. It's not quite done yet because I still need to finish the donut. So Molly, I'm so sorry, but I haven't finished the donut and it's not a final page spread, but I am excited of how it's coming together. Maybe we could do a part 2 to the collab, Molly, if you're up for that, or something later on. Where I can finish this and be happy with it, but I'm still happy with it so far. At first I was going to do acrylic paint for the background to match, but I wanted the background to be settled and to have a theme with the donut, so I went ahead and did watercolor with it. So here is, I don't know what I would do without you, and I thought it turned out pretty cute. So I thought this was fitting with a donut, and I had to draw a donut. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here, but before I do, guys, go check out my friend Molly. She's really great, and she's always there for me, and I'm always there for her. So Molly, you do really great art. I know we all have stuff out, but stick with it, and you know, just really motivating you to continue what you do, because you do amazing art. But thank you for also being a good friend and collabing with me. Again, I just want to have another little disclaimer here. I did tape this down. I could have used glue stick to make it more professional looking, but I thought it turned out cute nonetheless, and this one's just something simple and easy to do. So guys, go check out Molly Art Flashes on YouTube. I'll link her video parts down below. So go check her part out. So if you have any questions or anything like that, let me know. Let us know, and we'll try to answer that as well. I really don't have much else to say now, so subscribe to both of our channels. She does amazing art. I can't say enough kind words about her, but she's amazing, an amazing friend, and yeah, so definitely go check her out. Molly, thank you for doing the collab with me. If you have any questions like that, just let us know. We don't bite, so anyways, guys, thank you for watching, and if you came from Molly's channel, if you're new here, subscribe to my channel. I do hyper-realistic art, cartoons, anything I could get my hands on, I do, and I love learning new things, and yeah, so subscribe to both of our channels. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys will have a lovely weekend. Monday's my birthday. I'll do a video on Sunday and Monday, or hopefully, or try to. I post regularly, so, or I try to post regularly when I can, so, yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye, guys.